Are your curl project apps crashing due to the libcurl-64 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. As we prepare to fix libcurl-64 library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the libcurl-64 library, the 64-bit execution library for multi-protocol file transfers, HTTP and FTP. It manages the secure SSL and TLS handshakes for 64-bit application updates. If missing, the software will report connection timeout or library load failure during startup, as it cannot reach its remote update or license server. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Errors related to libcurl-64 library DLL often mean the internal curl project configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including libcurl-64 library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Most individual downloads of libcurl-64 library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing libcurl-64 library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure libcurl-64 library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.